Hi, myself Sandhya, Assistant Professor, Department of C&IT, Comedian Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. So today's topic is Basics of RDBMS. Then overview, what is DBMS, RDBMS, Relational Algebra, Structure Query Language and advantages of RDBMS. First we are going to see what is DBMS. DBMS means Database Management System. It's a software system for creating and managing databases. A DBMS enables end users to create, protect, read, update and delete data in a database. So these are the adding new data, deleting unwanted data and changing the existing data. For example, adding details of a new student or deleting the details of the student who has completed the course and modified the fees paid by the student. These are the examples of DBMS. And then it provides various functions like data security, data integrity, data sharing, data independence, data recovery and RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. So RDBMS is a program used to maintain a relational database in the basis of all modern database systems such as MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle and Microsoft Access. Then SQL queries to access in the data in the database. And then RDBMS also provide relational operators to manipulate the data stored in the database tables. Then the relation is the only data structure used in the relational data model to represent both entities and relationships between them. Then RDBMS store the data into collection of tables which might be related by the common fields or database table columns. Then tuple or row. A single row in a table is called as tuple. Each row represents the data of a single entity. Then attribute or column. A column stores an attribute of the entity. For example, if the details of a student are stored, then student name in an attribute or course is another attribute and so on. And column name. Each column in a table is given a name. This name is used to refer to value in the column. These are the column name. Table name. Each table is given a name. This is used to refer the table. Relational algebra. In that, selection operation, projection operation, union operation, set intersection, set difference, Cartesian product or rename operation. These are comes under the relational algebra. First we are going to see what is union. This takes two tables and return all rows that are belonging to each other. First or second table or both. Intersection. This takes two tables and return all rows that are belonging to the either first or second table. Then difference or minus. This takes two tables and return all rows that exist in the first table, not in the second table. So project operation takes a single table and returns all the vertical subset of the table. Selection operation takes a single table and returns a horizontal subset of the table. That means it returns only those rows that satisfies the condition in selection operation. Then join operation. Join operation is a rows of two table or combined based on the given columns or values. These tables being joined must have a common value in join operation. Then SQL query language for data manipulation and retrieval. SQL is the standard language for relational database systems. In that, SQL is a non-procedural languages and then where you need to concentrate on what you want and not you get it. So these are the types of commands: DDL, DML, DCL and TCL. So DDL means data definition language, in that create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. These are comes under the DDL. And DML, data manipulation language, in that select, insert, update and delete. These are comes under the DML language. So then DCL, data control language, in that grant and revokes are there. Then TCL, transaction control language, in that commit, rollback and save print. These are comes under the TCL. These are the types of SQL commands. Then advantages of RDBMS. A relational database is a database structure on the relational model. Data are stored and presented in a tabular format, organized in rows and columns with one record per row. And then it's the advantages: data structure, multi-user access, privileges, network access, speed, maintenance, and language. These are comes under the advantages of RDBMS. Thank you.